my summary of what's happened over the last just over 2 hours is that we've heard about the very strategic. We've heard from Rafa Engo and James Bullion about the big strategic drivers for the integration and development of technology in social care and in health beyond. But we've also heard about the practical. What are we going to do together to make this stack up, to ensure that both locally and nationally we all make progress in the interests of those who use services? And I think it's important to have Rachel's words ringing in our ears about that at the end. So we've had messages for government, for commissioners and providers. And what struck me in the work on the commission, and also in some of the examples that we've heard, is that good progress has been made where people have overcome traditional fault lines and differences and different perspectives to work together to make a difference for our populations. So on that note, I want to thank you for listening this morning and contributing. I want to thank our main speakers and our panelists for an excellent contribution. And I would now like to hand over to Alison Scurfield to conclude this morning's deliberations and to thank our sponsors. Alison, over to you.
Thank you, David. I'm hoping that we can all see from this morning's discussion, and I'm really excited for the tech sector to read the report. And this demonstrates true collaboration and partnerships with our colleagues at EIDAS and that wider social care landscape. It's really important, as David said, and we've heard from Rachel, that the collaboration has to be with our service users, with our communities, as well as government. But I would really like to thank at this point, before we close this session today, the invaluable contribution, the critique, the challenge from our key sponsors. So Taking Care, PA Consulting, Microsoft, Tunstall and OLM. It's been fabulous for you to show some of your difficulties, some of your challenges out there, but also your insights of how we can work together with the tech sector to move this agenda forward. So once again, thank you from myself and from our colleagues Ian Macbeath at EIDAS, because without your contributions, this wouldn't have been possible. Thank you very much.